Hi everyone, my name is Eiman Fahmi. I'm from class 501 and my college number is AR170147. So today I'm going to present to you about my polymer project. I made a stool. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this is my learning process report. And this is the content of these slides. First of all, I'd like to express my gratitude to my chemistry teacher, Miss Atika, for giving me this chance to have experience on making this wonderful project. It's a blessing for me because I got to make my own product from the polymer, which was one of the topic that we had learned in the class. I also like to thank my parents for supporting me to do this project and providing me money to buy some materials to complete this project. Last but not least, thank you to my friends for helping me to understand this project and giving me guidelines to do the presentation for this project. After all, I really appreciate those helps and I hope that this will help me to be better next time. Let me tell you the objective of this project. The first one is to reduce the pollution caused by the excessive production polymers that cannot be disintegrated. And the second one is to understand the polymer substance briefly. The third one, to make a beneficial product from polymer to overcome the problems. And the last one, to apply the knowledge in real life situation. So what is polymer? Polymer is a long chain molecule that is made from a combination of many repeating basic units, which known as monomer. Polymerization reaction is the monomer combination reaction, and polymer can be classified into groups based on the source of polymer. There are two sources of polymer. The first one is natural polymer. They are naturally available and can be obtained from our surroundings. For example, starch, protein, and cotton. The second one is synthetic polymer. It is a man-made through chemical reactions in laboratories or factories. For example here, nylon, polyethylene, polystyrene, polyvinyl chloride, which is PVC. There are three types of polymers. The first one is thermoplastic polymers, the second one is thermosetting polymers, and the third one is elastomer polymers. Thermoplastic polymers are polymers that can be repeatedly remolded upon heating and can be recycled. When heated, the thermoplastic polymers melt and solidify when they are cooled. The example of these polymers are polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, and nylon. For the thermosetting polymers, they cannot be remolded after heating, and they normally disintegrate or burn upon heating and cannot be recycled. The examples are melamine and bakelite. And the last one, which is elastomer polymers, they can be stretched and can return to their original shape when released. And also, they possess high elasticity properties. Examples of these polymers are polyurethane, styrene, butadiene rubber. So let me tell you the materials and tools that I used to make this tool. The materials are 2 cardboards, 1 polystyrene board, glue, double-sided tape, duct tape, 7 bottles of 1.5 liter volume, and fabric or cloth. The tools are cutter, scissor, pencil or marker. So the procedure of making this tool. The first step is sketch 4 circles on the cardboard and 2 circles on the polystyrene board using pencil. The second step is cut the circles carefully using cutter. The third one, put the glue on the circle cardboards. And the fourth one, attach 2 circles cardboards on both sides of each polystyrene board. The fifth step is put that tape to tighten the attachment of cardboard and polystyrene board. The sixth step is put 1 long double-sided tape on each of 6 bottles. And then Surround a bottle with 6 bottles by attaching them together. After that, secure the bottles by using duct tape. Next, fill water in each bottle to make them stable. And the 10th step is to put double-sided tape on the attached cardboard and polystyrene board. And after that, attach the board that we made before on the base and the top of the bottles. Lastly, you just decorate the stool by using any fabric or cloth that you like. Okay, so the safety precautions that you need to remember while doing this project is you need to wear gloves, and then you need to handle the sharp tools carefully or ask the elders help. And then the total expenses that I spent on this project was about Rm29 ringgit. This is the final product. Actually, this tool can be used as a chair or a table. It depends on how you like to use it. The conclusion that I can make from this project is that cycling polymers actually could help us to reduce the pollution of polymers. Even though polymers are needed in daily life, we can limit the production of it by recycling into other form of products or the same product. Thus, we need to encourage more people to recycle and spread awareness through campaign or other initiatives. This to ensure that the earth is safe from polymers pollution and all organisms can live in a safe environment. This is the product impact into the environment. The first one is it can protect the ecosystems and wildlife, and then it can cut the climate changing carbon emissions. After that, it can save more landfill space, and there will be less plastic pollution. What is the science concepts behind this project? Okay, let me tell you. Some polymers are durable and take a long time to disintegrate that cause pollution. Example of this pollution are marine pollution. It causes many creatures to die and microplastics to enter the food chain. And also, landfills are filled with non-biodegradable plastic bags that affect the environment. So how do actually we overcome this problem? So there are 3 ways to overcome it. The first one, what you can do as the main purpose of this project is basically you can recycle the polymers into other product or the same product, and then you can also introduce the degradable polymers so that it can easily disintegrate. Other than that, you can add additives to plastic. And this is the reference that helped me to do this project. I think that's all the thing that I would like to explain. So thank you for listening. Bye.